To make money on Robinhood with $10. Start by downloading and installing the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Create an account and fund it with the initial $10. Understand that Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Begin by researching low-cost stocks or penny stocks that can be purchased with a small amount of money. Look for companies with a strong potential for growth and a low market capitalization. Use the Robinhood app to browse through the available stocks and filter them based on your criteria. Once you have selected a stock, use the $10 to purchase a fraction of the stock. Robinhood allows users to buy fractional shares, which means you can own a portion of a stock with a small amount of money. Monitor the performance of your stock and consider selling it when the price increases. Another way to make money on Robinhood with $10 is by taking advantage of the cash management feature. This feature allows users to earn interest on their uninvested cash balances. Although the interest rate may be low, it is a low-risk way to generate some returns on your initial investment. It is also important to keep in mind that making money on Robinhood or any other trading platform requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and always do your research before making a trade. By following these steps and being consistent, you can potentially make money on Robinhood with an initial investment of $10.